energy from the sun, making glucose is so fun. All you need is CO2, water, and light from up high. What you get is glucose and O2, and that's no lie. What goes up the chloroplast by osmosis and active transports through the root? Traveling up the xylem, water will boost. Through the stomata, CO2 enters the chloroplast. Learning photosynthesis is going to be such a blast. The first process of light-independent reactions. In the chlorophyll, the thylakoid discs in the chloroplast is where all takes action. In that action, electrons get excited. What's next? We're not undecided. Photosynthesis is the process of breaking water down. Because of that, oxygen and hydrogen are created. Oh wow! To form protons and excited electrons, hydrogen is broken. After oxygen joins to form O2, it exits through the stomata. Excited electrons now awaken. Down the electron transport chain, electrons go. Through ATP synthase, protons flow. ADP receives this energy and becomes ATP. I guess we'll just have to let that be. The other electron is excited by psi and is picked up by NADP+, in which NADP+ becomes NADPH. Yes, it is a must. The Calvin cycle occurs in the stomata, and that process is next. Isn't a poem much better than reading this in the text? In the Calvin cycle, sunlight is not needed. That's why it's called the light-independent reactions. Oh yes, indeed. CO2 joins with C5 to form 6 carbon molecules, which then split to 2. It then forms 2 C3 molecules. Oh wait, is this information new? The electron released by NADPH turns into NADP+. Then ATP releases energy by breaking between second and third phosphate, becoming ADP, and that fact you must trust. Through the chloroplast in the cytoplasm, one excited electron leaves. More ATP is used to bind CO2 to CO3. Then, forming C4 and then C5, for the cycle must repeat. This cycle repeats twice to form 2 C3s. C3s in the cytoplasm are bound by other enzymes to form glucose, and this you must read. Glucose is used for energies to metabolize, storing sugars, and to build walls for the cell. So in order to understand the important process of photosynthesis, this poem must be read well.